Some have speculated that Rudy Eugene was under the influence of bath salts, which act as a psychotic-like drug. Bath salts are legal and fairly easy to obtain, and according to local substance abuse counselors, like recent incidents have shown, the consequences of ingesting them can be horrific. ABC 7's Fallon Silcox is here with more. Fallon?
Scott, you can smoke them, snort them, or shoot them, but no matter how you ingest them, counselors say the synthetic drug known as bath salts are dangerous. And since the drug is sold at convenience stores and head shops, it's relatively easy to get a hold of, not only for adults, but also for kids. People aren't putting these bath salts in their tubs.
Bath salts are synthetic compounds that act similar to a combination of amphetamines or speed and hallucinogens like LSD.
PJ Brooks with First Step of Sarasota says the effects of bath salts can be extreme.
To assume that because someone in some lab supposedly made this drug up, how do you really know what's in there? How do you know what was, I mean, you trust that this is something that's safe to ingest? And what we're seeing is some of these consequences that are coming out in the press.
It's believed that Rudy Eugene, the man known as the Miami Zombie, was under the influence of bath salts when he attacked a homeless man, eating his face.
The drugs themselves affect each individual individually.
And while the case of the Miami Zombie is extreme, Sergeant Steve Levitt says the drug is powerful, and it's kids who he's seeing experiment with it here on the Suncoast.
We've had some kids actually go into seizures or seizure-type symptoms, pass out, very lethargic. We've had a couple students transported to area hospitals from schools and from homes recently.
For now, bath salts are legal, and the drug manufacturers managed to stay one step ahead of the law, changing the chemical compound if one formula is banned. But officials warn, don't be deceived.
Because it's quasi-legal, individuals are assuming that things are maybe safer than they really are.
Now, Sergeant Levitt says there's no way to test for use of bath salts, so the best thing parents can do is be vigilant and talk to their kids about the risks associated with synthetic drugs like bath salts, and of course be aware of any changes in their children's behavior or health.